Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add movies to My Stuff on Peacock TV account. To add movies to My Stuff on Peacock TV, first of all open up a web browser. In the URL box type in peacocktv.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for Peacock TV, make sure that you are signed into your account. Now go ahead and select a movie that you want to add to My Stuff. You can search for a movie from the movie category or simply type down the name of the movie in the search box appearing at the top right corner. Choose the movie that you want to add to your My Stuff and click on it. After selecting the movie, it'll show you the movie's details on the next page. Click on My Stuff at the bottom left and you will be able to add the selected movie to your My Stuff list. Now if you go to My Stuff tab from the top, you will be able to see all of the list of movies that you've added to the list so that you can watch them later. That is how you can easily add a movie to My Stuff on Peacock TV. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.